Hey everyone, if you have not used AirTags, this is your sign to go ahead and order a pack of AirTags. They come in singles or a set of four. They are so useful around the house, and I want to tell you one of my favorite ways to use these. This girl is a runner, so when I take her out, sometimes she likes to try to slip away. So every time I go out now in the car, typically, we just snap on an AirTag to her harness to make sure that if she did get away, that we would be able to find her quickly. It's really easy. You just snap it on. She doesn't even know it's there. And then when you come back home, you can just take it off and it works 100% of the time. So she's my main reason for using the AirTags. So the AirTags help you find your items and also your pets through the Find My app device. So all you have to do, it's super simple to set up. It's just like a one tab pull and the whole thing is set up. You just take the plastic off and pull out the little piece of plastic and then it activates the AirTag and then all you have to do is set up your device to match it up. So it takes just a few minutes to set up and it's super reliable and easy to use. There are dozens and dozens of cute little ways to hold your AirTags. You just have to go on Amazon and see what you like. I found these to be really reliable. It's a little difficult to get the AirTag in the first time, but once you snap it in, it's very secure. And what I like about this is it has the little clip where all you have to do is just push it down, which makes it super easy to attach it to different things. And I'm going to show you a few more things that we can attach it to. My other favorite thing is my purse. I am always leaving my purse somewhere. So even if you don't want to have it on the outside, you could just tuck it inside and then you'll always know where your purse is. The other cool thing is on your luggage. When you take your luggage and put it in with the airlines, you can track your luggage and make sure that it's going with you. And if you do happen to lose it, you'll be able to find it and know exactly where it is. So there's so many great ways to use the AirTag. I would highly recommend trying it. It makes finding your things so simple and easy, and you don't have to worry.